Everything you need is included in the kit. Start by cleaning your door switches using a microfiber cloth with cleaning solution, or use the cleaning packets included. Make sure to let it dry before install. Familiarize yourself with the correct pieces. The F is for driver front. The R is for driver rear. PF is for passenger front, and PR is for passenger rear. The only piece that is not labeled is the rear seat USB port. You can see the following design here. Each switch comes with transfer paper to keep all the pieces intact. Remove the transfer paper pieces and stick it to the vinyl, making sure that it covers all parts of the vinyl. This makes sure the door switches all stay intact for an easier install. Leave some X's in the bottom so it will be easier to peel later. Before peeling, give it a good squeegee to ensure that it sticks. Peel the piece slowly, making sure that all pieces are stuck to the transfer paper. Using the window button light as a guideline, start by lining up the front buttons. The rear buttons should line up. Apply pressure on the buttons first, then apply pressure on the rest of the vinyl. Carefully peel the transfer paper. It's easiest if you peel sideways, starting with the rear buttons, the front buttons, then the manual door lever. Fold over the bottom part of the top buttons and the manual door lever. Fold over the edges for the top part of all the buttons using your fingers. Using the pink squeegee provided, lightly tuck in all the edges where needed. Don't be afraid to tuck in inside the alcantara. For the door button, use the door button light as a guideline. Once aligned, apply pressure to the button and the inside edge. Continue applying pressure to the vinyl surrounding the button. Lightly pull and align the tail of the piece to the outside edges. Apply pressure. Use the squeegee to tuck in excess material if needed. Carefully peel the transfer paper from the bottom. The rest of the door switches should be simpler considering there are less buttons. Apply the rest of the door switches based on the same install method. Remove the transfer paper and apply it to the vinyl. Before peeling, give it a good squeegee to ensure that it sticks. Peel the transfer paper slowly, making sure the piece is stuck to the transfer paper. Align it with the USB ports and apply pressure. Remove the transfer paper carefully.